If your fireplace screen is damaged or missing, fixing or replacing it is way more important than you might think for keeping your home safe and cozy. Alright, so first off, if your screen has holes or dents, don't just ignore it because sparks can fly out and mess up your floors or even cause a fire. You want to measure the opening of your fireplace to get the right size screen. No one likes a screen that's too small or way too big. When picking a replacement, go for something sturdy like metal mesh. It's durable and blocks sparks without killing your view of the fire. If you're feeling handy, you can install it yourself by attaching it to the fireplace frame using screws or clips, but make sure it's secure so it doesn't fall off when you least expect it. For those who aren't into DIY, getting a pro to install it is definitely worth the peace of mind. And hey, keeping your screen clean is key. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth once in a while to prevent buildup that can catch fire. Plus, a good screen adds a nice touch to your room's vibe while keeping things safe. Don't forget, choosing a style that matches your fireplace can make the whole space look way better. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fireplace screens is ignoring damage and using a torn or bent screen, which defeats the whole point of safety. Fix this by swapping it out as soon as you spot any holes or breaks. Another common issue is buying the wrong size screen that doesn't fully cover the fireplace opening. This leaves gaps for sparks to escape, so always measure carefully and get one that fits snugly. Lastly, some folks skip cleaning their screens, leading to soot buildup that can cause fires or block airflow. Just regular wipe downs with simple soap and water keep things good and safe. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding trusted local contractors super easy, so you don't have to stress about who to call for fireplace repairs or replacements. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to connect with homeowners looking for someone reliable to handle their home improvement jobs.